take this opportunity to thank our principal, MS and the deputy MS, which was not done earlier in our hospital. The patient is a female, 50 years old female, by the name Rinda Boti Chakman. She presented to us in our OPD with a very severe hip pain. Patient was suffering for quite 4-5 years. So patient was initially evaluated and was found to have severe secondary osteoarthritis following a vascular necrosis of the hip joint. A vascular necrosis of the hip joint, basically it's the dead bone and the hip joint because of lack of blood supply. So because of that, she was having a very pathetic lifestyle. So we evaluated the patients. So initially we counseled her, and we could get from her history that she had previously consulted other places also where the cost of the treatment was very high. So she could not afford the treatment. So in that way she landed to us in our department. So she was counseled and worked out along with consultation from the Department of Anesthesia led by Dr. Bhaskar Majumdar. So accordingly we have admitted her on Tuesday, that is on 9th November 2021, and we have planned our operation on 15/11/21. So since implants were not available to us over here, so we have contacted the implant people from Guwahati. So we brought the implant one day before, and we could perform the surgery yesterday. So the surgery went very smoothly, and we could complete the surgery in 2.5 hours. So from skin to skin. So right now patient is recovering well in recovery room in the anesthesia ICU, and this is the first time that the total hip replacement surgery was being carried out at GB Hospital. As a department, for the last 3 years, we as a department are really growing. We could really carry out new things which are as per the national and international standard. We as a department have started other surgeries as well. We are doing spine surgeries regularly, and we have arthroscopic surgeons also, where we are doing our arthroscopic procedures also. The thing is that we are as a team capable of doing, and we are efficient of carrying out all these surgeries which are earlier considered, like patient used to go outside for undergoing all these surgeries. So as a department, I would really be grateful to my senior colleagues, starting from Tapan sir, Upasit sir, Shankar Debrai sir, Dipen sir, Surajit sir, and Sukumal sir, for their immense support and having faith in our young surgeons, so that we could carry out our work properly. Hope so, and I would like to ask our people around at GB, we are capable of performing all those complicated surgeries which once was considered beyond our limits, but have trust on us. So as a department and as a hospital, we are growing in fact. So with this, I would end my short briefing of the patients.